Today I introduce to you a very rarity, a typical Sicilian sweet. You never will find it somewhere out of Sicily. It's a sweet, so-called cremoso ragusano served with a syrup of leaves and flowers of beans really particular. The preparation is very simple and it happens so. Mix some grated cheese, a meal seasoned and a bit salted, with some cream, some bread of eggs and some sugar. Let become more solid in refrigerator. And then you glaze it in the chocolate and let it drain. It must be served a bit frozen. Now let's give the final touch. We put some icing into the plate. Then we put a raspberries sauce. And now we put also a glass of flowers beans syrup. The dish is ready.
E adesso adagiamo il nostro bicchiere col nostro sciroppo di fiori e fave. Il piatto è pronto, buon appetito!